Bonjour, welcome to Frenchetvoila. Today we're going to talk about leçon T. This is a second video about leçon T. So if you haven't watched our previous video, please go back and subscribe to our channel. We're going to do a series of videos to help you read at the beginning level. On va faire une série de vidéos pour vous aider à lire au niveau débutant. Alors, sans plus tarder, nous allons commencer avec le son T. So, we're going to start with sound T. Le son T. T. Again, please go and watch our previous video. A, and A. This is a key in French. This is something you have to master. T, E. T. T, E. T. T, E. T. Ta. To. Ti. Tu. Ti. T. T. So if you have watched our previous video, this is just a review. So this is something you should know. Si vous avez regardé les vidéos précédentes, c'est quelque chose que vous devez connaître. So now, we're going to read the sound in the word. So how you're going to read this one? Ta, 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 ta. This one. Try. Ta, te, ta, te. This one. Ta, pi, ta, pi. This one. To, 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 to. This one. Tête. Tête. So tête is head in French. Head. Tête. This one. Été. Été. So été is summer in French. Été. This one. Ti, pi. Okay? So the first video was about the sound P. Now we're starting to combine sound. T, P. Okay? Thank you. So my recommendation, just try to watch the video again and copy those words in a notebook and try to practice. Subscribe to our channel. Our next video is next week. Thank you and have a good day.